Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trini coleslaw. First, gather your fresh ingredients: a crisp head of cabbage, some vibrant carrots, and a sweet onion. For the dressing, you'll need good quality mayonnaise, a hint of mustard, and a dash of both sugar and vinegar. These simple components come together to create a truly delicious side dish that's perfect for any meal. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Take about 1/2 of a medium cabbage and shred it finely. This ensures a delicate texture. Next, grate 2 medium carrots to add a lovely pop of color and natural sweetness. Finally, dice 1 small sweet onion into very tiny pieces. The finer the dice, the better it blends into the slaw without overpowering other flavors. The heart of any great coleslaw is its dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite good quality mayonnaise. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard for that classic tang. Then, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix everything thoroughly until it's smooth and well combined, creating a perfectly balanced, creamy base. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the creamy dressing into your prepared shredded cabbage, carrots, and diced onion. Make sure every piece is coated evenly. Once mixed, cover the bowl and chill your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it cold and enjoy. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.